Alright, what is going on, everybody? So we are here in Gilpin County. We're currently at Black Hawk, the Shell station. We got Brant in his vehicle. We got Jasmine in her red Jeep. So we got a vehicle stuck. Looks like he's high centered. So we're gonna get up there, assess the situation. Could be a straight line pull, could be a little more advanced. We'll check it out, and of course I will bring you all the footage that I can. And check this out. Another Jeep came by to join the little convoy party. He's got a nice little cage in there. Stay tuned, and we'll see you guys at the trail. Alrighty, everybody.
Adam's coming. We're definitely gonna have a recording for this one.
Oh, for sure we will. Alright, everybody. So we got Brant's Jeep right here. Airing down his tires. Airing down Ruby. Got Jasmine's Jeep right now. She got the adaptive deflator, so she's airing down right now. Very icy up there, so it's either we use chains or we air down. So chains would be a little bit of a pain to put on. It's also very cold, so we're gonna go with air down and then maybe have to go with chains, but we'll see. Okay, so the plan is right now, Brant is gonna go up this hill right here. He's gonna go back around to the front of the RP's vehicle. He's gonna pull them, kind of like an anchor, and then I am gonna be right here doing a pendulum to get the back to move to the left, or to the right. So let's do that and see how it goes. Okay, so before we start winching, I'm gonna show you guys what we're doing exactly. We got my rig right there, going up to a tree saver, and then to a snatch block. You can probably see that. Going back down to the bumper right here. And then as I try to pull him to the side, Brant is going to be keeping tension on the front over there. So nice soft shackle onto the bumper. He has no recovery points, so that's a good idea. I like it. And we'll get started and start pulling him back up to the trail over here. Okay, so we're about to start winching. One thing that we noticed was the tire right here. There's a big sidewall, so we flattened it out so we can get pulled over here. Brant is over there, ready to pull straight. We got the winch at the tree saver hooked up to the bumper since there was no recovery points. Got that moving up to here, up to the safe extract.
Are you rigged up?
Well, good to go.
Winch 2, go ahead and give me a couple bumps. Go ahead and start slow.
Alright, so now we're taking everything apart because he's perfectly fine to go back right now. Traction's looking good. We'll make sure we'll follow him out. We'll have Brant follow him behind him just in case he is unable to keep going. We'll have the vehicle there just in case. So let's start taking it apart. In the front of the vehicle, one of the shackles was nice and frozen. Give it a couple taps. A little leverage on it. So yeah, he was down in this hole right here. Front tire was over there. Here, his back tire was kind of in this ditch, but the pendulum pulled him back and nice and to the left. So worked out very well. Perfect coordination from everyone on the team. Wow, would you look at this? We got all three of the red Jeeps right there lined up. Got the RP, mine. Got Jasmine's with my broken headlight just blinding us right now, but it's all good. So he was stuck right here, down there, and we got him back on trail. He should just be able to back up now. Brant will follow him down here, make sure he's all good, and we'll catch you guys later. Alright, so we are almost there. We got Jasmine up front, we got me right here, got RP back there, and we have Brant all the way in the back. He's doing tail gunner, so we'll let you know when we get back to safety.
Everybody ready?
Alright, so we're airing up the tires now. Good recovery. There goes the RP, heading back home. Yeah, I'm at 0, so it's going to take me a little bit longer to get filled up, but it shouldn't be too bad. They've got 2 compressors here that can double up and help me. So, yeah. Overall, super smooth recovery. Nothing else we can really do from there. But, yep, there they go. All nice and safe, back on trail, just like we like it. If you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a like, comment, subscribe. It really helps the channel. Not making any money, so that would be great. Let me know what else you guys want to see in the comments down below, and I look forward to catching you guys in the next episode and the next recovery. Peace.